Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to publish product on PayHip. So to get started with quick and a straightforward guide on how you can simply publish your product on PayHip. So the first thing to do is to log into your PayHip account, or probably go to payhip.com. Then from there, sign in into your account. Then on step 2, you have to click add product. So on your dashboard, click the add product button at the top. Then from there, you have to select whether your product is digital product, physical product, or subscription, or probably a course. Then on step 4, you have to upload your product. So for digital products, upload your file between a PDF or zip. You can even use MP3. Then for physical product, you have to enter the inventory and the shipping details. Then on step 4, you have to fill in the product information, which is the title, the price, and the description of the product. Then after that, you have to upload a product image, which is a cover image for your product. Then from there, which is at step 6, you have to click add product or published. So scroll down and click the add product button to save and publish your listing. Then once published, PayHip gives you a shareable product link you can use to anywhere online for your stable selling, and that's it.